Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can get your PayPal credit card number. Now it's going to be a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now the first thing you want to do is actually open up the PayPal app, and you need to just look at it and see if it is actually up to date. Because what I'm showing on screen now is the latest version of the PayPal app, and you should be able to see all of these different options at the bottom. However, if you can't see that, what I'd recommend to do is to go over to the App Store, and then from there you should be able to type in PayPal and then update your app. So once you've updated your app, you can go ahead and open it, and then you just want to log in using your login details. Now from there, we will see a screen that looks something like this, and this is the home page. What we want to do from here is go into our wallet, and we can find that in the bottom right corner down here. And we just want to go ahead and click on our wallet. From there, it will look something like this. You should be able to see wallet at the top, and then you should be able to see all the banks and cards that you have connected to your PayPal account. Now, what we're going to want to do is click on whichever credit card we're trying to find the number for. So just go ahead and click on whatever card you need. And then from there, you'll see a screen like this where you can see your card, the last 4 digits, you have the option to add money, and you also have some more settings and options at the bottom. However, in order to actually see our card number, what we have to do is go to where it says these 4-digit numbers right underneath our PayPal balance. And from there, you should be able to see this little eye icon, which is right here. And what will actually happen when you click that is you will be able to see your PayPal card number. So from there, you can take that card number and you can use it for whatever type of purchase you were trying to use it for. But please know, you may have to do some sort of verification in order to actually see these details. So that's exactly how you can see your PayPal credit card number. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.